Hajj is the great pilgrimage which we Muslims make. Leaving all our daily cares, we go for Allah's sake. All wear very simple dress and round the Kaaba go. Praising Allah, He's the best, we point to the black stone. From Safa we rush to Marwa, at Arafat we stand. At Mina stand at the Jamra, and throw pebbles by hand. At Al-Masjid Al-Haram we all make special prayer. Drink the water from Zamzam, on Eid day we cut hair. And on Hajj when it is Eid we sacrifice that day. Share the meat with those in need and feast in our own way. More Muslims make Hajj every year, you may well want to know. Why do Muslims hold Hajj so dear? You'll find out if you go.